Alright, shit. YouTube, check this out. Maytag. Maytag. Fuck, paid $1,500 for this piece of shit. This is about the 7th time it's fucked up. We're supposed to have a warranty and they hurried up and took the manufacturer warranty away so we couldn't fucking return it. It doesn't fucking work. What's up? Yeah. I'll let you use the pipe. Is Brennan still up too?
No, he's been asleep. I just woke up.
I heard you guys back here fighting about an hour ago or something.
No. I was on the game.
Oh. Yeah, here, I got the pipe sitting right there, man. Yeah, look. Oh, crap. It didn't fucking work. So, I want this is YouTube video. I'm putting this YouTube video all Maytag. Can you tell me why I spent $1,500 on a fucking brand new washing machine and I haven't had it less than a year? And they've been out here and put a new fucking brain on this thing fucking 3 times. And they came out here and fixed it 5 fucking times. And every fucking couple weeks, I'm stuck with all my laundry because it doesn't fucking work. Whirlpool and Maytag are the biggest piece of shit junk I've ever seen in my fucking life.